Hey guys, welcome back to another new video. This video I'll show how to edit your YouTube channel name for education channel. So guys, I'm just editing my channel name, education channel. So guys, just okay and just try and academy.co. So HC or HHC and like setup okay, and you change your background theme. So I change background theme, just click and click dark. So guys, I'm changing the white to dark. So now I made a circle. So now go elements and I'm just add a circle. This is sharp. Okay, now ready, and I'm just create zoom and the full screen on logo and click back. So click right button and layer and click send to back. So now this is the right position, and I'm just change background shape color and click select yellow, and this logo is ready. So now you can download and upload your YouTube channel. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So please subscribe our channel and like this video. Goodbye, see you next